Hello friends, I am your friend Himanshu Kumar and my channel is Pratigya Continue and which I want to come online for first time today. I want to tell you some things and so that you should listen to tell and feedback how it felt and how I should come back. Please reply. So let's go. Our today topic is currents. Topic is COVID-19. Now I deliver my opinion. COVID-19. Why COVID-19 is these times in every peoples are just like lungs. Every newspapers just like for international paper Hindu and second other just like Hindi papers Dainik Jagran Hindustans and Prabhat Khabar NVT and Dainik Bhaskar. Many pages are only for related COVID-19 and some are points are relevant other content points. Why COVID-19? Because novel coronavirus WHO has announced 11th March 2020. These times India only for 10 patients are available positive COVID-19. But India has taken but is not responsible, is affected now affected in India. But nowadays is first case in Kerala and death other states. But why? Because Kerala is population and educated 95 and 99% are educated. But nowadays not compare for Kerala other states. But nowadays each population is second in India. First is China and second in India. But how it increase COVID-19? But other state, other country is just like before 2 months, just like for 2019 December, it increase is COVID-19. USA nowadays mostly peoples are affected. COVID-19 is 8 lakh thousands are peoples are affected and just like 1 lakh to 1 approx 2 lakhs peoples are dead in COVID-19 because COVID-19 there are four types L, S, M, K, but scientists are 30 types are COVID-19, but my knowledge is two in India, L and S. S is not affected, but nowadays every peoples are dead only for L. L is very dangerous disease. Just like for Wuhan city, everyone peoples are dead only for related L positives. Our peoples are dead. But nowadays every peoples, mostly peoples are affected L. L just like it's decrease very dangerous. So far nowadays is increase COVID-19 total peoples are affected. COVID-19 29,000 29,832 patients are available in India, but in India recovers 6,834, but in India death COVID-19 934 peoples are dead, because all are increase, just like for increase in Maharashtra, and second is Indore. Why Indore? Indore one family and other family one sector. Indore are just like for districts and city. Indore are first city in, just like for smart city. Indore is first in India, is first city in Indore. But nowadays Indore our condition is not good. But in Bihar mostly peoples are not affected, but some peoples are affected. 2 peoples are dead and 67 peoples are recovers, and 345 are patients are available COVID-19. But other states 2,000 peoples are affected in West Bengal. Mostly peoples are affected in Maharashtra, and second in Gujarat, and third Gujarat, and third other states. But just like for green zone in Goa, Manipur, and other, and once that times are not recall names. But nowadays every peoples are social distancing is very important. If you are not social distancing, then COVID-19 are increase, because the the prime the Prime Minister Modi is said before one man's first times 24 March are announced. Firstly, people social distancing. That's like in Maharashtra, one room, 12 one rooms are one room are available, but peoples are 12 are peoples are one room. But how is possible? Yeah, possible. If you are in one person are not each COVID-19 is so far I decrease, but mostly peoples are just like for adults, and COVID-19 day by day is decrease. Nowadays is increase. Why? Because social distancing not for care. But if you suppose that morning 6 to 8 and evening 4 to 5, everyone's peoples are just like walking. But nowadays it COVID-19 is increase. Nowadays the world are affected 20 countries, 20 country. Mostly most of country are affected, just like powerful country USA, Italy. First USA each medical is provides first world of first, but not for care for every patient. For 1 minutes 5 minutes are deaths, but not recovers. Why? And second is Italy. Italy is second largest medicine are and hospitals are available, but COVID-19 are affected just like for developing country, not for developed country, developing country in India, but nowadays in China, but already is the USA has announced uh, India and China are not for developing. Is India and China are developed country, but India is not developed country. Many peoples are sad. Is India is not developed country, and so for in China are developed country, but nowadays every peoples are sad in Wuhan city in increase for COVID-19, just like for 1 millions are just like for poisons, for 20 country are affected COVID-19. It's possible, yeah, possible nowadays, but many just like for in Bihar's one districts each 28 they are not affected COVID-19, just like for name Lakhisrai districts, and in India 28 so far 5 days after added 18 warnets, 18 districts are so far not affected COVID-19. Kerala, West Bengal, not that time not recall the names in district at districts. In districts. At district no. Just like district is in districts. Okay. Today I only for discussion classes. Only for first times. So reply everyone reply her feeling. Okay, that's love. Thank you.